Vice President Sara Duterte says President Bongbong Marcos committed what she describes as an impeachable offense. The Vice President reiterated her earlier claim that the President's signing of the national budget, which she alleges contained blank items and insertions, constitutes an impeachable offense. She also said refusing to address questions about a leader's competence or allegations of illegal drug use could be considered impeachable. This comes as the House of Representatives prepares to tackle 3 pending impeachment complaints against Duterte.
Pinakauna na impeachable offense yung pagpirma ng budget na alam mong galing siya sa bill na may mga blanco at merong mga insertions. Impeachable offense din yung humihindi ang isang opisyal kapag merong nagtatanong ng competency niya na mamuno at may nagsasabi na gumagamit siya ng illegal na droga.
When asked about the 2028 presidential elections, where she is seen as a strong contender, Duterte questioned whether the country would still be in a stable state by then, citing flooding and corruption as major concerns.
Unang-una ang tanong, meron pa bang bayan, meron pa bang Pilipinas na pag-uusapan sa taong 2028? Lubog na tayo sa basura, sa baha, sa lahat ng economic indicators, kahit sa korupsyon, lubog na tayo.